Imagine a single tool that drills, drives, cuts, saws, scrapes, and sands to save you hours of work and hundreds of dollars. Introducing Rovus Rocket Fix, the breakthrough all-in-one do-it-yourself super power tool that helps you get any home project done in a flash. The secret is Rocket Fix's Quick Connect system, featuring powerful interchangeable tool heads that all fit onto a single heavy-duty motor base. Features best-in-class 19+1 torque settings and 2 convenient speed settings. Click on the drill head to punch holes in lumber, drywall, and metal. Switch quick for a powerful driver, no chuck key required. And the magnetic bit holder secures bits in place. Drive screws fast and deep. Use reverse action to bust right through to remove rusty, damaged screws. Rocket Fix uses rocket cut technology to create 16,000 high-frequency oscillations per minute for unmatched cutting, sawing, scraping, and sanding. Click on the L blade to plunge cut into drywall, pipe, and slice notches in lumber. Use the C blade for precise sawing through wood and tackle bigger jobs like flooring and renovation projects. Switch to the oscillating scraper to remove old paint, flooring, and sticky adhesives. Stop sanding by hand. The oscillating sander easily prepares any surface. Triangular design reaches into corners. Finger guard keeps hands safe. Power tool cords get in the way. But Rocket Fix is cordless. Compact design lets you get into tight spaces. Features hammer function capability. And 18-volt lithium-ion battery charges fast for hours of uninterrupted work. Power indicator lets you know when it's time to recharge. One system, endless tasks, unlimited possibilities. You get the heavy-duty motor rocket base, drill and driver head with 6 different size screw bits, magnetic bit holder, 6 assorted drill bits, the oscillating head, L blade, C blade, scraper blade, sanding pad, 3 sanding sheets, hex key, 18-volt battery and charger, plus the easy read manual.
Similar products can cost an absolute fortune. Don't waste your money, because today we have a very special offer. Order right now and we'll give you a 50% discount. Yes, you heard right. It's yours at half our regular price. But wait, there's more. Order right now and we'll give you this as our special gift to you for free. That's right, it's yours absolutely free. But that's not all. If you order right now, we'll give you not 1, but 2 Special Forces 6 military-grade tactical flashlights absolutely free. This compact and lightweight military-grade flashlight is 10 times brighter than regular flashlights and can be seen from miles away. And it's strong. Its heavy-duty aluminum casing is impact-resistant and can even handle the weight of a 10-wheeler truck and works even when frozen or underwater. It also has a tactical strobe to stun attackers or intruders. These 2 SF6 tactical flashlights are a 4,000 peso value, but call now and they're both yours free. But this is a limited time offer and is only while stocks last. And there's still more. If you order in the next 20 minutes, we'll send it by express delivery for free. Anywhere in the country, but you must order now. Plus, try it for 30 days, and if you're not completely satisfied, return it for a full refund. No questions asked. Now, you've got nothing to lose. It's 100% risk-free. This is a limited time offer and it's only available while stocks last. You get it all. Everything you see here, all for a special low discounted price. So don't wait, don't delay, don't miss out. Visit our website or simply call the number below. Payment is super easy. You choose cash on delivery, credit card, mobile payment. But hurry, this is a limited time offer and is not available in any store anywhere. So you must order right now. So don't delay. Chat message with us or just call right now.